So we are here for our second EDC. We are walking towards the grounds. Hopefully we can cover quite a few stages, show you around the whole festival.
So if you want to learn some tips, do watch our other video here. If not, let's go! Ah! EDC 23, JC Love Forever.
EDC VEGAS, JD. Wow, this took seriously long. This took like half an hour to do.
Because it was so difficult to sort all the letters out and look for the alphabets.
So hope it's worth it, and we'll make more bands. See you at EDC.
See you! So excited.
Bye.
Good morning! So we're gonna collect our EDC passes today. So they close at 12 midnight for collection, and so we have a bit of time left. We're gonna head over to the Las Vegas North Premium Outlet shopping first, and then we will go over to collect our wristbands. Yes! One day to EDC! We're currently at the North Premium Shopping Outlet. If you couldn't find any outfits for EDC, don't worry because there are plenty of options at this premium outlet shopping. We got most of our last minute EDC outfits from here. We are done shopping! We're gonna walk across to the convention center to collect our tickets. Oh my god, the sunset is so nice. Okay, we are here finally. There's zero queue.
Should we tell people come at night?
Yeah, if you want, you should come at night. Look at that.
And photo.
Yes, collected our wristbands. So if you want to come and collect, good timing to come is 8:30 at night. So they close at 12 midnight, and there's literally no one in the queue. Like we went there and 1 second we are next, and then we got it. Oh.
Yeah, the last time we came in the afternoon, the queue was long, but we were lucky with VIP, so it was quite short. But the GA was like at least a 1 hour wait.
Okay, let's unbox this. All are welcome here. My favorite quotes from EDC. Ta-da! And it comes with all the swags. Once again, so you have this very nice magnet. It's a little different from last year what we got. Similar texture.
You have to pay 10 bucks for that.
Extra 10 bucks. Yeah, but I must. This looks a bit strange to be honest. I don't know whether I'll wear this. Stickers. Oh, so much stickers. They are celebrating their 30 years by the way. Very nice keychain. Oh, what's this? So nice. Oh, this is you can iron on, I think, right? Oh, this is so lovely. And this year we got a GA Plus bands. So it's pretty nice. All set for EDC!
See you under the electric sky.
Good morning! We just checked out of Crockford's. We are gonna head to Ayu Day Club for DJ Snake. Let's see how the queue is. Snake! So it's day 1 of EDC. Walking around this hotel, you can see like there's a lot of people dressed up in their EDC outfits already. Pretty cool. And it looks so much more livelier. So we are here at the DJ Snake queue. It's quite long, but it's not as long as yesterday. So
Much faster, and it's moving at least.
So we just checked into Four Queens Hotel at downtown Vegas. So this is gonna be our EDC hotel because it's nearby one of the shuttle stops and it's very convenient. We'll be sleeping most of the time here. It's quite an old hotel as you can see, and it's in downtown Vegas. So we are probably gonna check out around this area because we haven't been here before. Getting ready! EDC day 1. Woo! Let's go!
Okay, so we finally got our shuttle passes and we are going to EDC.
put in all our jackets in the locker, so now we're gonna check out the place. Tonight. So now we are at Fremont Street and we are finding something to eat. It's bustling with excitement. It's the beef fried rice. This is the pad keema, drunken noodles. This is the kra pao, tom yum soup. There were a lot of people already heading to the shuttle stops for EDC at 6 in the evening, but we headed over around 9 PM because we are night owls. On our way to EDC Day 2. It's 11:30, we just reached. Look at the crowd. So we didn't have any more candy to trade. but it was our first time receiving candy from strangers and it felt so amazing. Dinner now. It's about 6 p.m. so we're gonna head to EDC early today because we haven't got a chance to walk around much last day. Let's try the ramen. The soup not that tasty. The ramen is not great.
Not good.
It looks better than it tastes. The best ramen in Vegas is still at Momofuku. EDC Day 3! So when you arrive with the shuttle, you can fill your water first here because there's obviously no queue here, unlike inside. Remember to get your swag for premium shuttle. Oh, pretty!
Thank you. So we are at the entrance, walking in to the campsite.
You can hear the pumping music. Many stalls selling LED lighted accessories and wear, so don't worry if you came unprepared. They also have the official EDC merchandise shop where you can purchase EDC swags. There was an anniversary lane to celebrate 30 years of Insomniac, and there were also many roller coaster rides, a Ferris wheel, as well as many walkthrough experiences, where we even discovered a small hidden stage. The whole VIP area was bigger than last year's, so it was definitely a step up. The elevated experience was also new and improved, where there were 3 layers of elevation, so you don't have to fight for the only one front row like last year. Our group of friends enjoyed the space and comfort at the Kinetic Stage VIP area because they didn't have to squeeze with the crowd. But for us, we preferred the full immersive experience at the GA area with a front view of the lights. The VIP toilets were exactly the same as the GA Plus ones, but somehow it was more crowded. And as usual, they also have extra experiences such as the beauty bar where you can get your hair and makeup done. The queue for water refill was definitely shorter than the GA queue as well.